Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So in this video, we're going to analyze Bitcoin, BTCUSDT. We're going to look at what we can expect from the Bitcoin for the upcoming week and what it has given us in the past. So let's get right into it. This is Bitcoin's analysis. Let me go to TradingView for you. So as you can see, we are on a weekly time frame, and as I have told you in the previous video, we're in a bearish trend. We were in a bullish trend since for 1st of November 2021, and since then we started our journey towards the downside. As I have told you in the previous video, Bitcoin has given, by the way, if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you watch it. So as I have told you in the previous video, Bitcoin gave a bearish engulfing candle. Let me zoom in for you so you can see clearly. So right there, we had a bearish engulfer. So as I have told you, this is a very good signal for the continuation of bearish trend, and we have continued the bearish trend for the previous week. This week we managed to close just like break even over there. So let me go to a low time frame to analyze it even deeper. So right now we are on a daily time frame, and let me zoom out a bit for your clarity. As you can see, we were making this impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, another fast impulse, and a low correction. So why I'm telling you this? Because this is a pattern, this is a behavioral pattern for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making impulses, then with every impulse there is a correction, another impulse, another correction, another impulse, another correction, another impulse, another correction, and what is next for us is another impulse. So the direction of impulse is obviously going to be bearish because we're in a downtrend, we're in a bearish trend. Bears are in control of Bitcoin market. So what happened before is we broke the channel, the correction, and we are making lower lows, lower highs. We are moving towards the downside. So what is happening in the Bitcoin right now? Let me clear that for you. So for that we are going to go on a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. So here we are on a 4-hour time frame. In the previous video I have mentioned with this red arrow that from here, once we manage to break this support at 2750 level, we're going to go down to around 17575ish area. So for the past week we have consolidated inside this zone, this price area, which is at 20577ish level and 19550ish level. We are consolidating inside that, but this is normal. As I have told you on the daily time frame that with every impulse there is a correction. So this pattern is also repeating itself on 4-hour time frame. Let me clear that drawing for you. So this is an impulse. As you can see, market moved towards the downside, then we corrected it. This is a correction. Market didn't move to any direction, it just moved slowly and it corrected it. Now with that correction, when that correction ended, we have a impulse. This is a fairly small impulse, but this is an impulse. Market moved towards the downside. Now with that impulse, it is there is a correction here. So as soon as we will break this correction, now I don't know when the correction is going to be broken. It can take a week, it can take a day, or it can go down right next when the market opens. So that depends, I don't know that, but one thing I know for sure is market is going to go down because we're in a downtrend. Yes, there is also a possibility that, let me delete the drawings for you first so things get clear for you. So there is a possibility. What is the possibility? The market can go up a little bit, like this. Market can go up a little bit and break this line towards the upside a little bit. Why is that? Because the market can clear the liquidity over here. Now as we know, you know, we all know Bitcoin is a downtrend, so a lot of people are going to take trades, are going to have their stop loss at this level, at this 2588ish level. So what market makers do, they will move the market to a little bit up towards the upside just to hit that stop loss area, and then after that what will happen? Market will again make an impulse towards the downside. one thing is for sure, we're going to go towards the downside, so make sure you capitalize on that, and make sure if you decide to trade this, make sure you use proper risk management. Besides that, that's it for Bitcoin. This is what we should expect from Bitcoin for the next week, and that's it for Bitcoin. If you get any value out of the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video. So that's it for Bitcoin, and we'll see you guys in the next video with another pair. Thank you so much.